welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna show you a farm tour of another farm. The plants behind me are an indication that there is abundance in water. Palm trees are native to Southeast Asia. Palm trees are perennial crops. Perennial crops are the crops that grow 365 days throughout the year. Palm trees are the highest yielding crops because 63% of it is oil content. The soil in our land was sandy and no other crops were suitable for this land. So we chose palm trees. So guys, if you're wondering what this is pure riverbed soil. So this is what a dried up river looks like, in case you've never seen it in your life. And if you're wondering where the soil is going, some of the loose land is being mixed in with this riverbed soil, which is rich in nutrients, to make it suitable for paddy to retain water. So you can see little birds, and those are regular storks. And not only can you see these birds, but you can also see deers, peacocks, various kinds of birds, sheep, goats, wild boars, and even mongooses and other animals. So what you're seeing now is paddy in the nursery. So we sow rice seeds and then plant them for 30 days. Then we prepare the rest of the land. And then we transplant these seedlings from the nursery to the other part of the land. And then we wait 140 days for it to grow, and then we harvest. And yes, this is where it all began in our channel. This is the very first video playing in the paddy. And if you're wondering what I was trying to do, I was trying to pose for a picture and it turns out to be a video. And I'm not that good of a poser. Don't judge me, please. Right now we're in Telangana, and if you can see this rods, yeah, that is the border between Telangana and Maharashtra. Right now this is Telangana. Beyond these rods is Maharashtra. Really a wonder. So this incredibly tall tree is a tamarind tree. This is the tip of our farm, and beyond this is Maharashtra as well. Apparently, rumor says that in tamarind trees there lie ghosts at 6. So even if there were ghosts, I'm safe because it's only 5:30. So this incredibly tall tree. I'm here again where it all began, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Bye guys, see you in the next video.